Dear students, welcome to the Clear Your Concepts video series. I am your instructor Kamar. Today we will discuss the common mistakes and the do's and don'ts. Number 1. Red and the green markers. Always start drawing your route from the green marker and stop or finish at the red marker. Remember this by keeping in mind the traffic lights. You start moving at the green light and always stop at the red light. If you start from the red marker and finish or stop at the green marker, you will get 0 marks. Number 2. Read the question carefully. Sometimes specific road is mentioned as closed in the question, although you might not see any such prohibition on the map. Since in the question it was told that the road is closed, therefore you must avoid it. Otherwise you will get 0 marks. Number 3. Road endings. Never move beyond the road ending. For example, you cannot go from the green marker to the red marker like this, because the road ends at this point. So in this case, you have to proceed like this. Number 4. Central reservation. The dual carriageways have central reservations for separating the traffic moving in the opposite directions. Central reservations are indicated by a line in the center of the road. Never cross the central reservation in order to turn right. Sometimes you might see a continuous line in the center of the road or a broken line having a text, name of the road, etc. in between the two segments. Wherever there is a center line on the road, or there is a text in the center of the road, or even the gap between the center line and the text is too close, you cannot turn right. Number 5. Always keep on the left side of the road. Sometimes it becomes confusing, especially when you are traveling from the north towards the south direction or from the top towards the bottom of the map. In such cases, keeping on the left side of the road means moving like this. Number 6. Roundabouts. Always proceed in the clockwise direction at the roundabouts. Ensure to make multiple clicks while moving around the roundabouts to show that you have noticed the roundabout. Number 7. Tunnel approach. Always join and exit the tunnel using tunnel approaches. Never join or exit the tunnel at any point other than the tunnel approach. You cannot exit the tunnel like this. If you do that, then you will get 0 marks. Instead, continue on the checkered marks, indicating the tunnel till you reach the tunnel approach. Number 8. One-way streets. One-way streets are indicated by a line with an arrow. The direction of the arrow indicates the direction of the traffic. Never move against the direction of the arrow. Number 9. Restricted roads. The roads with this color are restricted roads. For example, this road is closed from 7 am to 7 pm. Never use restricted roads unless it is clearly mentioned in the exam question that you can take the restricted road. I repeat, never use restricted roads unless clearly allowed in the exam question. Number 10. Closed roads. Closed roads are marked with a continuous black line like this. So you cannot move from this street to the main road, nor you can move from the main road to the street because of the road closure at this point. There is another example of road closure which is at Mauritius Road. So you cannot move from Mauritius Road on the A2203 or from A2203 to Mauritius Road because of the road closure indicated by a continuous black line here. Number 11. Pedestrianized zone. The pedestrian zone is marked with the pink color with broken line on both sides of the road. Never enter into the pedestrian zone because it is only meant for the pedestrians. However, never confuse the pedestrian zone with the congestion zone, which is also indicated by a thick pink color border having a solid line, a dark color solid line on one side of it. So you can enter the congestion zone if you are coming like this. You can enter the congestion zone crossing this pink color with a thick line on one side indicating the congestion zone. Number 12. Pressing the start and the stop buttons. Start drawing your route by pressing the start button. Once you have completed drawing your route, remember to press the stop drawing button. For one-to-one training at the lowest price in London, please contact 0746 213 4959. Thanks.